Hi, I'm Caroline, and I'm here to tell you about our PWS bedroom collection range, which features a wide-ranging, high-quality assortment of products suitable for varying budgets. Our stocked range includes a 3-drawer linen internal cabinet that matches the wardrobe interior, along with additional shelves and hanging rails. Taking bedroom projects to the next level of sophistication, Casaboma have created the Canero drawer systems, which are supplied with toughened safety glass and lined with velvet flock. We also proudly offer the world's first wardrobe lift, combining easy access to high rails with additional pull-down storage, as well as pull-out organisers to keep trousers neat and tidy, and a laundry basket for discreet clothes storage at the end of the day. Chests are an integral part of the bedroom, and PWS stock a 215mm drawer front, an industry standard size available in both slab and 5-piece constructions, ensuring a seamless design flow with the door style. A 12mm grey linen drawer box is also available from stock, offering a more delicate and lightweight option ideal for a bedroom setting. For the finishing touches, we offer hundreds of handles in a wide variety of styles, shapes and colours to suit every individual taste. Our best-selling rechargeable light, which requires no electrical installation, is a great addition to add value to your project. For more details, please contact your account manager.